Ouch. Oh, look at the floor.
Uh-oh. Let's don't throw our food, please.
Swap it. Swap it, little fork.
What you eating, or Grace? What you're eating?
Taking the picture.
Taking a picture? Dad taking a picture? What are you eating?
You're eating cheese?
No, she's saying cheese because she's in a picture. What's that?
What's that? It's cake.
It's cake?
That's cake.
It's a pancake.
It's not eggs.
It's spicy.
It's not spicy.
What are you eating, Adeline?
Fork. Want some more watermelon?
Good job using a fork.
And the more is cheek.
You need more?
And one.
It's a big piece. What is that? Or Grace, what is that?
Well, what's that?
What are you eating?
Oh, cheese. Can I take it out? Forget in here. Forget it. Oh, it's Daddy. That's Daddy in there.
It is, Daddy. What are you eating?
That's Daddy's
Are you-
home.
Are you eating watermelon?